All right.
What?
Seatbelts on, doors are closed.
If you want to talk, hold the button. Like that.
Lord, this is why I need you.
Boy, traffic copter 6-8, Bravo, go to party 22.
This is cool.
You make the winter feel warmer, and you...
This is a whole different experience.
Oh, it is, isn't it?
Newport traffic, Barron's crossing 3416 to the north hangars, Newport.
You make my crazy feel normal every time.
How'd you get your license to fly this?
Oh, I got it out of a
A what?
a bubblegum machine.
Track and track.
Yeah, I got it here. I got my license here back in 1988.
Easy to try.
How many hours do you need? I think I used to work with someone who has their license, but they said that it took them like a lot of hours.
Yeah. You need at least 60 hours. Well, 40 hours is the minimum. Most people would take closer to 80 hours. To get your commercial license, you need 150 hours, but it's really tough to get a job with that many hours. You know, my minimum to hire anyone is 1,500.
Oh, you're the owner of the business, right?
Yes. Yep. And then Forrest, the other pilot there, he's been flying with me for a couple years now. He's coming up on 3,000 hours.
6 a.m. I feel so far from where I am.
How long does it take him to take 3 hours? Like how many hours does it really take?
Oh, to get good? Probably 1,000 hours to really, you know, so you can probably do it. You can probably start really feeling comfortable at 500 hours. But you don't want to get too complacent either or cocky. That's the biggest thing.
The cemetery is full of cocky helicopter pilots.
That's right. Yeah, you got to really respect the weather too, especially around here. Like we do charter work too, and like I get calls. People want to go out to the islands at night. You know, I don't do that at night. It's just not worth it.
How far away is Block Island?
Block Island's right over there. Actually, it's only it's about 20 miles from here. It's only about a 15-minute flight.
Picked up the paper, it was more bad news. My heart.
This is beautiful.
Jamestown here.
I saw a movie, it just wasn't the same, 'cause it was happening.
Does it come with XM radio in it?
I'm sorry, say again?
I said, does it come with XM radio in it?
No, I added that. That's an extra. This has got XM radio radar built into it, GPS.
By the way, I respect the decision not to spend the $10,000 on the air conditioning. You don't need it up here.
Yeah, it'd be about 80,000 actually, because they make you get a bigger engine, and the AC's like a $35,000 option. So the engine's 50,000, and another like 35,000.
But you don't even need it with the wind coming through the vents.
No, you know, I'm kicking myself on the other machines, the charter machine that I have, and I should have got it, but you know, when you're spending $500,000 on a helicopter, you know, and it's cost more than your house, you know, and added the second one. We added the second one last year. It was a big step for me, or for us.
Well, obviously your business is doing well to invest in the second one, right?
Yeah, I just didn't want to go in, you know, I don't want to go too deep, you know.
It doesn't hurt that this is like the most beautiful spot in America.
It is. It's a good place to fly. I did a flight all the way, a charter flight to Maine, almost south of Bar Harbor. It's gorgeous up there. I wish I could fly up there more often. But anywhere in New England's great.
How long a helicopter ride to Maine is it?
About 2 hours.
Is there supposed to be some kind of narration with these mansions, or it's all about looking at them?
Over here, those are all private places. So once we get on the other side, I'll point a few of them out.
Got it.
This right here is an old mansion, but it's a hotel now. It's called Castle Hill.
Yeah, we took an excursion boat. I'm sure you heard about it. Last trip. We've got an excursion boat out
Nice.
over here.
What'd you do, like the Gansett there?
The lighthouse excursion around.
Okay.
And we were told that this lighthouse is short because the dude who built it, he lived in the house.
Right.
He didn't want the light in his bedroom window.
That's exactly right. At least it's a good story anyway. That you must have went around that lighthouse too. If you did that tour, that's Beaver Tail over. That's a really nice place.
I don't think we went out that far.
No, okay. Oh, so you did the one here. You didn't go to
the one we went on is called the Rum Runner.
Oh yeah, I've heard good things on that. This is Ocean Drive, Brenton Point over here.
We need this, but I've been too.
We took the little motor scooters, you know, little cars, up to that. I think it's that point over there where the cliffs are.
Oh yeah, yeah.
That was pretty cool. We're getting a lot in 2 days.
Well, this gives you a really good overview of everything. That's Newport Country Club we just passed. That's private. Jay Leno just bought this mansion here with all the chimneys. There's 9 chimneys there.
Do you know what that place sold for?
I think he bought it for like $9 million. I think it was on the market for like 13, 14.
I wonder how much time he spends here.
I don't know, but I guess there's a car museum in town on Bellevue Avenue. I guess he's friends with that guy, so he may be putting some of his cars in the museum. I'm not sure.
He found somebody to shoot the breeze with.
Yeah.
I watch his YouTube channel, Jay Leno's Garage.
Oh yeah, I've seen his the TV show too. Yeah, it's cool. That's the cliff walk here.
Here we were over here. Remember, guys? We took pictures in front of that house. There were actually some kids diving off the rocks.
One day before you know it, you will see all of the pain and all the irony, yeah. You'll feel the sting and then you'll think of...
That's the Doris Duke estate there, Rough Point Mansion. See the big stone place there? You could tour that one.
She owned 26,000 acres over near where we live.
But I don't speak, and I hate that.
She had a Boeing 707, I think it was, over at Quonset, and she would take a helicopter and land right there on the lawn.
Did you ever hit the birds?
No. There's the breakers there. That's the largest one. That's 160,000 square feet right there. University of Salve, Virginia. Boy, Trapcopter 68 Bravo goes inbound 4 south.
Is that still considered Newport to the right?
Middletown. Once that's Tuckerman Point, just to the right of us. That school over there is called St. George's, the prep school. It's like $50,000 a year.
There's a traffic, arcs are emptying left downwind, runway 36, there's a traffic.
She says it's all gonna end, and it might as well be my fault.
For traffic jump 1 on the left downwind, runway 22. That's all aircraft consider Newport State, please use caution. Jumpers away over Newport State, all aircraft, please use caution.
It's 3 a.m., I must be lonely.
How far can you go and take a gas?
About 270 miles is pretty much all you want to get. 250 to 270.
And the rain's gonna wash away.
Right in traffic, arcs is on left downwind, runway 260, traffic.
I guess that's pretty far considering you're going straight to where you, or basically straight to where you.
Yeah, straight line.
It's not like you're turning and everything.
They said I went all the way almost to Bar Harbor on a one tank. You're cruising about 130 miles an hour. So I cruise a little faster than this.
Newport traffic, Barron's passing the south side of the airport. 10 Charlotte, grab the center Newport State. Please use caution. 2 canopies open, 5,000 feet below, just to the west of the field. 2 canopies open over Newport State. All aircraft, please use caution. For traffic, jump 1, short final runway 22.
You ever get tired of coming up here?
22.
Yeah, not usually. You get tired at the end of a day, but you never get tired of flying.
I bet after flying this, when you get into your car, it's like...
Oh, it's totally a letdown.
It's like you get your wings clipped.
Yeah, exactly. It sucks. I don't like driving. Boy, traffic copter 8 Bravo Echoes, base, beam 22, behind jump 0.
When you hit traffic, you're probably like, oh shit.
Yeah, I wish I would have had the helicopter. That's right.
Newport traffic, jump 0 is descending through 5,500 over the Secaucus. We'll hit 3rd Beach and then proceed inbound for the downwind 22 Newport. Newport traffic, jump 1, clear 422, pay thanks, 1634.
When you go and buy a helicopter, it's not like you can go to a dealership and look at one. How do you...
Well, actually, there are dealers around.
Did you go to a dealer for this?
I could have, but I bought it. I've flown them before, so I know what I wanted, so you just order it. You can order the color, all the options you want.
Newport traffic, Air 547 is 7 to the east, descending through 3,000 and inbound landing, setting up for 45 to left downwind for 22 Newport. For traffic, jump 1, clear forward, nice.
Well, thanks, guys. Thanks for flying with us.
Thank
you.
You're welcome.
What kind of gas does this take? It's regular.
100 octane, actually.
Can you put that in your car?
You could, but you'll burn out your catalytic converters.